Good morning, everybody. Hope you had a lovely day yesterday and you could find some stillness around you. So let's see what today has. Souls of balance. Seek equilibrium in love and career, harmonizing your inner scale to weigh decisions with both heart and mind. Always trust your gut. Seek equilibrium in love and career, harmonizing your inner scale to weigh decisions with both heart and mind. And in Harmony School, embrace equality and pursue justice. Keep an open mind and answers unveil your path to balance. Embrace equality and pursue justice. Keep an open mind as answers unveil your path to balance. I think it is a bit about integrity and keep your integrity. Okay, and then the cosmic energy, intuition again. Listen to your intuition, it never lies. Trust your gut. Listen to your intuition, it never lies. Okay, guys, that is what I have for you. Enjoy your day. See you on Monday. Bye bye.